Okay, participants, welcome once again. Now we have to check the mandatory condition number 6 and mandatory condition number 7 related with the simple linear regression analysis. What is condition number 6? Data needs to show homoscedasticity. I may repeat once again. Your data needs to show homoscedasticity. Condition number 6. Condition number 7. Residuals of the regression lanes are approximately normally distributed. A condition about normal distribution. I may repeat the condition number 7 once again. Residuals of the regression lane are normally distributed. Residuals of the regression lanes are approximately normally distributed. How can we check those two conditions? Researcher can use the SPSS software for checking condition, mandatory condition number 6 and mandatory condition number 7. Please wait. I may share my SPSS screen to you. Share SPSS screen. Wait. I may share my screen to you. Wait. Share. Okay. This is my SPSS screen. You can see two variables. One is industry politics, second in marks. Industry politics is the independent variable. Marks is a dependent variable. How can we check condition number 6 and condition number 7? First, analyze regression, linear, dependent variable marks, independent variable industry politics. You can check condition number 6, condition number 7. You need not do the entire regression analysis here. Here, our mission objective is to check only the condition number, mandatory condition number 6 and mandatory condition number 7. Wait, take plots, then you can see y and x. In y, please transfer z r e s i d, that is y. In x, z p r e d, okay, I will repeat again. In x, z, okay, I think there's a mistake here. Yes, mistake. In y, z r e s i d, that is correct. In x, z p r e d, yes. In x, z p r e d, z p r e d, x axis, y axis, z r e s i d, correct. Okay, then please click histogram, a normal probability plot, then continue, then okay, then the researcher will get the output. I have got the output. Please wait. I must show the output screen to you. Stop share. This is the output. You can see so many tables, but you need not notice those tables. Our interest, condition number 6 and condition number 7. Please note the scatter plot, dependent variable, marks. Our condition, data needs to show homoscedasticity. How can we check? Please see a point 0. Here, points are lie below 0 and above 0. That means randomly, points are randomly scattered above 0. This is 0 lane. Here, points are randomly scattered above 0 lane and below 0 lane. That means your data shows homoscedasticity. Condition satisfied. If the data shows any shape like wave, cone, funnel, that means condition number 6 is not satisfied. But here, the points are randomly scattered below the 0 lane and above the 0 lane. That means condition number 6 is satisfied. the normal distribution condition. How can you check? Please see the histogram and normal PP plots. Histogram, if the histogram shows a bell shape, yes, your histogram shows a bell shape. This is another test for normality. In correlation case, we have studied about skewness and kurtosis. There is another normality test, that is the histogram test. Please see the histogram, and if the histogram shows a bell shape, then your data is normally distributed. Here you can see it is not actually it is not a 100% bell shape, but somehow we can assume that is a bell shape. You can see a lane there. In output, you can see a lane there. This is a bell-shaped lane. A histogram do not 100% shows a bell-shaped picture, but we can assume to some extent, that is the point, that is the word, to some extent it shows a bell-shaped picture, then we can assume normality. Then another test about normality is normal PP plot. You can see the points. If points lie close to a diagonal lane, normality assumption is satisfied. Here you can see the diagonal lane and points. If the points lie very close to the diagonal lane, the normality assumption is satisfied. To some extent, that is the correct word. To some extent, points are lie close to the diagonal lane. On the basis of this histogram, a normal PP plot, we can assume condition number 7 also. Those are the 7 conditions related with the on. Yesterday, we have discussed about 5 mandatory conditions. Today, we have discussed about 2 mandatory conditions. Those are the 7 mandatory conditions related with the simple regression analysis. Tomorrow, we will discuss about what are the mandatory conditions related with the multiple regression. Okay, thank you. I am Dr. Shivakumar, FCMA, your course instructor and course coordinator, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Sri Nilakanta Government Sanskrit College, Patambi, Palakkad District. I am a fellow member of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Besides, I am an approved PhD grade of the Calicut University. Okay, thank you. Stop share.